Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hi guys, how are you doing today? O2 teaser zazu. Yes, O2 Z, another Z, Yanu Marshall, O2 Shele is Abibu Kikiola in the news. Yes, it's for the good reason this time around, as he has just given, he's doing giveaway for people. Yes, just some days ago, yes, let's say some days ago, he was in an eatery. Where he paid for the food of every customer he met on the queue there. So, and this time around, he's in a bukateria. He's just telling people, yeah, Emma Jono, take a buffet, take anything you like. The guy is nice, yeah. I like him. So, he's somewhere around in Lagos too, and Abibu Kikiola Portable, you can come to this side too. Come and do giveaways for us. We are waiting. We your fans too. We love you.